I would like to welcome the viewers
who are watching through the live streaming. I invite all of you to come and witness tomorrow for the live performances. I think that would be better instead of watching through live. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight it's all about music that will move our hearts and soul. And for the first performance, I would like to invite the young and talented singer, Mr. Elai Riyame. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to groove to his sensational numbers. Elai Riyame on stage.
Check. 1, 2. If you know the song, sing along with me, alright? The song is called Always. Check. This Romeo's bleeding, but you can't see his blood. It's nothing but some feelings. So dark it turned. It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. See, I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. Now I can sing a love song right away it's meant to be. When I guess I'm not that good anymore. Left behind, not just memories. I'm looking for a line, something to make us love, something to make us cry. Wanna make you have to say goodbye. I wanna give to run my fingers to your hair, touch your lips to hold you near. Try to say your prayers, try to understand. I've made a mistake, I'm just a man. When he holds you close, when he pulls you near, when he says the words you've been needing to hear. I wish I was him, 'cause those words are mine. Say to you till the end of time and night. Come on, sing along. We'll love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever. Late day. could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you are sleeping. While you're far away, I'm dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is the moment I treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. 'Cause even when I dream of you, sweetest dream we'll ever do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. Then I kiss your eyes and thank God we're together. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure forever and ever. See, I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. See when I dream of you, sweetest dream we'll ever do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. I don't want to miss one smile, I don't want to miss one kiss. Well, I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. Just wanna hold you close, I feel your heart to both tonight, and just stay here at this moment for all the rest of time. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream we'll ever do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the pain. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream we'll ever do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss the day. Yeah. Ooh. I don't wanna miss the day. Ooh, yeah. I don't wanna miss the day. Show me the way to your heart. I am searching, but I'm drifting apart. Everything's gone far away. You were standing now with no words left to say. I gave you power, fell on the floor. Silence never Thank you. Stay tuned, I'll be back soon.
Wow, that was an electrifying start, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? How is the energy going? People on my left, are you liking it? Louder, louder. Yes, that's a spirit. What about people on my right? Are you having fun? Wow. Thank you so much. The night is still young and we have a lot more fantastic numbers lining up for you. Ladies and gentlemen, music has this power that connects everyone, every heart, without saying even a single word. And tonight, we are feeling that in every beat, in every tune, and in every cheers from all of you here. Thank you. Next performer, I would like to invite a young and talented, beautiful, gorgeous singer, Miss Dimlu Kamay. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Hello, good evening, beautiful people. Are you guys ready to sing with me? So this song is called More Than I Can Say by 𝘲𝘼𝙏𝙏𝙏. Sing along with me if you guys know the song. The next song is called The Story by Brandy Charlie. All of these lines across my face tell you the stories of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. But these stories don't mean anything when you've got no one to tell them to. It's true. That was made for you. I climbed across the mountain tops, swam all across the ocean blue. I crossed all the lines and I broke all the rules. Baby, I brought them all for you. Oh, but these stories don't mean anything when you've got no one to tell them to. It's true. I was made for you. You see the smile that's on my mouth. It's hiding the words that don't come out. All of my friends who think that I'm blessed, they don't know my head's a mess. No, they don't know who I really am, and they don't know what I've been through like you do. I was made for you. All of these lines across my face tell you the stories of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. Oh, but these stories don't mean anything when you've got no one to tell them true. I was made for you. Oh, well, it's true. I was made for you. I've been told about living like a star. Hotel rich champagne and caviar. But no one ever showed me the reverse, and it really hurts. Baby, it really hurts. try to sell your body and your soul. It's the price you pay for rock and roll. No one understands it, how you feel, for it's so unreal. Oh, it's so unreal. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life could be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. When critics crucify your latest show, another drink and then you lose control. And then on stage I feel a fire burn. There is no return. I'm always on the run. I give it to you, babe, with all my heart. For it's not too late. Oh, it's not too late. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thank you, guys.
That was an excellent. Hello. That was an excellent performance from the young and talented Ms. Dimlu Kamay. The tone of music is still tickling in my eardrums. What about you guys? Are you? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, our next performer, he is someone from a marine tribe. He is a soulful singer-songwriter inspired by Ed Sheeran, winner of Red Ribbon Idol 2025 and second runner-up of Manipur's Got Talent 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Sheldon.
Hello guys. I would like to start out with a very romantic song, and it's Check. sorry. So I would like to start with a very romantic song. So if there's any couples out there, I want to dedicate this song to you guys. This song is called Perfect by 𝘖𝘲𝗏. I found the love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm everyone dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Everyone feeling good, right? Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share a home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of their own. 'Cause we are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Thank you so much. Any Coldplay fans out here? This one is for you. I used to rule the world, seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone, sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as a crowd would sing. Now the old king is there, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key. Next the walls we closed on in. I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt, pillars of sand. Everyone sing. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my soul, and see missionaries in the foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you go, there was never an honest word. But there was when I ruled the world. It was a wicked and a wild wind, blew down the doors to let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plane, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my soul, and see missionaries in the foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name. Never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world. Missionaries in the foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name. Never an honest word, but it was when I ruled the world. Thank you. Alright, this next song, everyone has to sing along, right? And I'm sure you guys will know this song. This song is Country Road. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze. Everyone, country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Oh, my memories get around her, my nurse lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. I hear a voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. I'm driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Everyone, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. One more time, country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, down country roads, take me home, down country roads. Thank you guys. I'll be singing in a few minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Sheldon, for that enthralling performance. Let's not be rigid. Rigid I could see that. So, guys, you can stand up. Cheers for the performers. Interesting. And nobody is controlling you. You can rise from your seat. You can cheers the performer. You can sing along with the singer. So it's all up to you. All right? Okay. Next performer, he is someone, the magnetic demeanor, the fireball on stage. And for that, I want everyone to do a countdown for him. We shall start counting down from 10. Yeah, brah? Ready, right? All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's welcome Mr. Tangmay Show Shing Lai on stage.
Nungsibi nangi saktam se uduna dalaire Nungsiba da chingtam khaide jati bijati khaide hai chinban da dikhai de nungsiba thamoi da dikhai bi re Nungsiba da chingtam khaide jati bijati khaide dai chinban da dikhai de nungsiba thamoi da ꯆꯥꯛꯏꯗꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯔꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯟ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯟ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯀꯟꯃꯜꯂꯦ ꯂꯩꯁꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ 오케이 누삐 ngamba Noidi nungaye. Som gisi bera laye. You are great people. You are great guys. Masing yam de nupa, yumgi nupi ngamba, ngamba saba wani, manung gadi ngamde, nupi ki kutta loina lay. Mapata apawa saba wani, masing yam de nupa, yumgi nupi ngamba, nupi ki benupadi. Bani mapok se sa thong ba nga ngau ba nap tang khai cha sal la su yum da amuk cha da ba ya de sa thong ba nga ngau ba nap tang khai cha sal la su yum da amuk cha da ba ya de pasing yang de nu pa yum gi nu pi ngam ba Kharadi, 𝘖𝗲𝗏𝗏 ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯋꯥ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯈꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯋꯥ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯈꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦ 누pa 융기 누피 ngamba 융기 누피기 makhon taninge yum yaurakanda nungsiba sabani 융기 누피기 makhon taninge yum yaurakanda nungsiba sabani nupi na koisu machin kanmale nay sharingaigi wangang 𝘍𝘗𝗏𝗏 nupi na koisu machin kanmale nay sharingaigi wangang 𝘍𝘗𝗏𝗏 kumakugde masing yamde nupa yumgi nupi ngamba ngamba saba wani manungdadi ngamde nupi gi kutta loina lay mapanda apawa saba wani masing yamde nupa yumgi nupi ngamba yumgi nupi gi makhon taninge yum yaurakanda nungsiba sabani yumgi nupigi makhon taninge yum yaurakanda nungsiba sabani nupi na koisu machin kanmale lay sharingaigi wangang 𝘍𝘗𝗏𝗏 nupi na koisu machin kanmale lay sharingaigi wangang 𝘍𝘗𝗏𝗏 Are you ready to scream for another song? Wasakhi nungsi haina ningsingli ngasi suaidi kautthokra male nangdi tanglaba mikup khuding lenkhini nangi wakhalda aidi thadokpa ngamde nangi tamakta ว่าสักทีนุ่งสีให้นะนิ่งสิ่งลีเงอสีสวยดีตอกทุกเรมาเลนังดีตั้งละเบอมีกูคูดีเล่นขี้นี้นังดีว่าเขาเดอไอดีทาโดบงงดีไอดีทาวายเสนังดีนีไอดีหักจางสุนังดีนีไอดีบุญสีสุนังดีนีNanggi tamak kahing libani Mirai binugo ay ginung siba Katok kerbani ay gipun sise Ay kigawa ay kaya Liang dana lady tamoy da Sibinang di konje Sikla ba ahing kaya Hau kare nang di wakalda Wana lili pun sisi Igi tawai senang gini Igi hatang sunang gini Igi pun si sunang gini Nanggi tamak tahing libani Sa kingdom si hai na Ning sing li nga si suay di Cao thô krơ ma lên nang di Tang la bờ mi ku ku di Liên khi ni nang di wa khơ da Ay di tha do bờ ngam di Ay di thawai si nang di ni Ay di hak sang su nang di ni Aiki punsi sunang gini Nanggi tamak tahing libani Nirai binuko Aiki nusiba Katok kerbani Aiki punsi se Thank you. Hui na hawi ni samgapang Majoda semasapai. This is especially for I'm searching. Yeah, especially for those who got married with. Okay. Abang pilih keninga kerjanji peningu memelai kerari lấy shot ni moriji ngare ngare bana pening sang ke vai malay kui ma sun zang dai nai pening lay mi shi mà chỉ hô khờ ngài ô nơ lì cất thao si mơ xa mai mà tha câu huy nơ mơ nì ini li mơ yer phalu mà thinh riết thay ba shấp si ja ari khi khờ nâng xa ra mà thầy xa khờ rê cơ trang vơ mi ku mô nơ ma hăng rơ ra shop ki cơ chi a chi vơ ra shop hai rơ thầy hai rơ Wow, thank you so much. Somgisi kitang nuwaidaba male ko. Noisi nuwaidaba male. Nungai haidi kuba amta kubiu ne. Machong le mara shiman. Hita de ra shokra de. Cơ khờ lết mà lấy xâm cơ phăng Ninh chốt khờ vai xa hạ Đầy huy khờ yốt mà ninh mơ Cơ shi mơ phên ngơ rốt bài À tâm nơ quy khờ ra thà ran Khờ ngơ ran huy hai rơ sai Huy na hạ mà khờ lần rơ mơ lấy cơ shi mơ ngơ chay rơ ini Tầng khờ mong mùi á lung li khờ lùi hai rơi ni lây xa mà chỉ hồ khờ ngài ô nơ li Đất thao si mơ xa phai mà chỉ hồ khờ ngài ô nơ li Đất thao si mơ xa phai Thank you. Thank you so much.
Call him back after some time, but for now, we will move forward to the other artists as well. Are you ready? All right. The night is still young. The food stalls are here. You can go and check out, try all the yummy, yummy food. Okay? Chak lamba, puk lamba ka. Lairaga su aikoi stall su lairi aduga all the beautiful and wonderful people here. You can go around, you can enjoy the music, you can taste the good food and have fun here. Yaiko? I can see the energy. I can see the energy. That's a spirit. Yampe? Ado, for all the performers, the star performers for tonight, let's cheer them up once more. Cheer them. If I say hip hip, I want you guys to shout hurry. Yeah, bro? On my right side, are you guys alive? Are you alive? Yes. What about this side? Louder. Wow, that's a spirit. Thank you. All right, so to cheers all the performers, we're ready, right? Are you guys in it with me for this? Okay. Hip hip! Hip hip? Hip hip? All right, thank you so much. The next performer, let's welcome Mr. Elai Riyame on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Two.
Everything has gone to life. sing along with it. All right. Thank you. And that's beautiful. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. You take the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. You take the midnight train going anywhere. I sing her in a smoking room. I smell of wine and keep the feel. For a small they can shout and not it goes on and on and on and on. Come on, strangers waiting. Having done a fool in their shadows, searching in the night. Beautiful, thank you. Streets like happy young people, living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the Working hard to get myself. Everybody wants a thrill, betting anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win and some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, up and down the fool in their shadows, searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. See the light before. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. See the light before. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. See the light before. Don't stop. Okay, I won't stop. Thank you.
Wow, what a rocking performance that was. Nungaribro Mayam? Are you enjoying the night? I like it. He just set the stage on fire. He is an epitome of energy, the fire entertainer. Once again, let's all give it a hand for Mr. Ela Riyame. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to welcome a voice that touches hearts and spreads magic with every note she sings. Up next, we have someone whose voice speaks the language of the soul. Let's welcome our very own melody queen, Miss Dimlu Kamay on stage.
Hello, Shing.
25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of mine for living down. This is going to be my last song, and it's one of my favorite songs from The Greatest Showman. It's called Never Enough. Nairadi pulap nai minase ko. Hang mayara gasu pulap sak minase. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way, and you hear it echoing. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. You hear it echoing. Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Time go lost in too little. These hands could hold the world, but it will never be enough, never be enough for me. Thank you, and good night, everyone.
Go.
That was a stunning performance. Natra! Taba nungairibro, ma'am? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, again, we have another performer who's ready to bring back some of your favorite hits, the songs you have loved, hummed, and lived with. Let's welcome back on stage Mr. Yes, any guess, he said? Sheldon, yes. Mayam kubak ahoba mapipis kubise. Louder, please. All right, thank you.
For a while it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love, so come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me He can take away. And I hold you every night. That's the feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Whoa. Please don't say. Well, I find my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while since I'm finding my fate. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Whoa. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. You know this song, right? Everyone sing. Ooh ah ooh ah ooh ah ooh ah. Go. Ooh ah ooh ah ooh ah ooh ah. Louder. The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drink it fast and then we talk slow. You come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give you the chance. Now take my hand, stop with Venom Man in the jukebox, and then we start to dance. I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on down, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on down, follow my lead now. Come on down, follow my lead. Oh, I'm in love with the shape of you. A push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Come on. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. Oh, I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. Oh, I'm in love with the shape of one weekend. We let the story begin. We're going out on the first day. You and me are thrifty, so go you can in. Fill up the back and I fill up the plane. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour. So now your family is doing okay. Leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on down, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on down, follow my lead now. Come on down, follow my lead. Oh, I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Come on. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Thank you. This next song is gonna be my last song. This is an original song. It's a Manipuri song. And I wrote this song because I was so in love with Imphal. I grew up in Imphal. Any guys here who grew up in Imphal? Come on. So this song is for you. This song is called Imphal. And I want to dedicate it to the bands over there. They are the guys who helped a lot in this song. So this song is dedicated to you and everyone else. Wari kuding magsu Dabe fangle Mitafam kuding su Numon halle Kali adubu Karigi tamoy sina Nangbu Ben banay dariba Natampa tuda jaurak pani Nanggi nungsibaga malemsida tinjarakpani Tiatkini aidi matangaloinana Adubu Imphal nangdi lepkini lomdana Nungsiwari kayasu kau topihan ganu Potafamoi biyu Eigi kwang sina kolasu Eigi samlang sina kelabasu Kudol tatanatam leba sile piganu Imphal Palemima Now sumiseidu Taning leamughana Sarga isay gumi Chatloy lambi kaya su Nong do susegay ruy Adubu Nang bukaw rang liyay na Nakuya kada mikupsin gani ay Nanggi irol nung da Hakjanggi itin sinagani Chatkini ay di Matangaloy na na Adubu Imphal nangdi Lepkini lomdana Nungsiwari kayasu Kau topihan ganu Potafamoi biyu Eigi kwang sina kolasu Eigi samlang sina kelabasu Kudol tatanatam leba sile piganu Imphal Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the evening, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that wonderful performance, Mr. Sheldon. That was truly mesmerizing. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's all give it up again, once again, for Mr. Sheldon. Thank you. Our last performer for tonight, Kana Pamge, Miyam. Kana mo kau thorak sige. Ta de kay hay no. All right. What about this side? Kana kau thorak sige. Okay, before we move forward, tomorrow we have a mega fashion show, the Genesis. Tomorrow, hayeng ka na muklak ka ni. Please raise your hands, whoever is coming back tomorrow. Only this much, not everyone. What about this side? All right. Okay. Hayeng di ka. Please invite your friends, your family, your near and dear ones. Aduga mayam size thanal laze. Ka, yai ka. Agree? Yes or no? All right. Okay, for the last performance of tonight, let's all give a huge round of applause for Mr. Kamay once again.
Chick. Somgi, kino singse, yam nungay ko. Okay, ado Uh, do you really love me? Then a bit closer. Come closer. Come closer. Toge. Asengba aingondda nungsiba singduni ko si. Thank you. Saktirambi lay sabido thakchalaga yengrubabu kuchumuwe. Come on. Taxi here. Taxi over here. Taxi. Take your seat. Saktirambi lay sabido thakchalaga yengrubabu kuchumuwe lay sabido paisalaga yengrubabu Hekta basa khatlat le murambi du ngau khat le 𝘔𝘐𝘉𝘗𝘔 yugi sana. Okay. Wangang su intapi masakti kaya yauni aikoi sum lay min nay wakhal se hong le ikai ba su lakre namak se yu nangani yu nangi mayai kan malle sakti lambi lay sabido thakchalaga yengrubabu kuchumu bilay sabido paithalaga yengrubabu hekta khatlaklay murambi ngau khatlay 𝘔𝘐𝘉𝘗𝘼 yugi sana hekta khatlaklay murambi ngau khatlay 𝘔𝘐𝘉𝘗𝘼 yugi sana yumda tikai dauri angang nangai howi somda na yo thanari wazau ngang ba loidri yum han ba kau thokle isai su sakhari mina yeng de ma khang de mina tan de ma khang de sakti ramni lay sabiro thakalaga yengrubabu kuchu bilay sabiro paisalaga yengrubabu hekta khatlaklay murambi du ngau khatlay 𝘔𝘐𝘉𝘗𝘼 hekta khatlaklay murambi du ngau khatlay 𝘔𝘐𝘉𝘗𝘼 Thank you. Chinh na cõi na pan sa ba hào na cõi na pan ngak ba sana lai bak Manipur hào pi su lumba. Okay. Lumba Sinh yên su hào vơ Nung a su hào vơ Có gì đâu ôi đâm môi Lấy đâm đi đi Ra 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 Có gì đâu ôi đâm môi Lấy đâm đi đi Ya da ban nau shek da na how nau shek a how mong ma khal ki en da na mai tai ye za ba ya da ba mai en da na how mai re a how mong ma nu da na mai tai nga nu hai loi na to khok si ka na da ba ni nung si no let me know, nung si know, let me know, iram dam di tama, hào pi su lumba, sinh yên su hào vơ, nung a su hào vơ, mali da, si đâu ôi đâm môi, lấy đâm đi đi, da da, si đâu ôi đâm môi, lấy đâm đi đi, da da. Nung ai đi bro, nung ai bom khai tu khut ata. Giờ bom mất thấy lối na ai khôi, thì ni hai. Su hào vơ có gì đâu ôi đâm môi lấy đâm thi đi ra 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 có gì đâu ôi đâm môi lấy đâm thi đi ra 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 ra. 𝘏𝘗𝗉𝙗 𝘏𝘗𝗉𝙗 ba thenge ba ngasai sakjare adudi sakre sak adu yam phajaraga kaigi yam thing lai no amu halwai ro no yo ho thenge na sakna adu yam phajaraga ya hauna adu gum theng ri kino nungsibi nangi saktam se udunada leire udunada leire nungsibada chingdam khaide jati bijati khaide hai chinbandadi khaide nungsiba thamoidadi khaibire chaida ko tamgi ichal haifam khangdare xoay cái mi xí lỗi thầy cô Thủy cứ hai ya tâm nguy cơ ra Mơ hàng ai đi bình mùi mơ ngại Mơ lại học sơ đơ phơ đi ngơ Mơ đơ mơ lấy cái gì nếu vì giấc ý chí thấy chốn hai đứa nhỉ thấy chốn hai đứa nhỉ hầu cờ vỡ buồn chỉ kiwa đi lý giờ ninh để mi am mang ngơ tao được ghé khali wa khờ dikhai dire nungsiba da chingdam khai de jati bijati khai de chinban da dikhai de nungsiba thamoi da dikhai dire chaida ko tamgi sang ai không khang dare bamit yengi wang ang su nung si bana thale awat ba leite mai khung da adubu aina chingnari thamoi da gari khallige aina khangba ngamde aina uba ngamde nungsiba da chingdam khai de jati bijati khai de chinban da dikhai de nungsiba thamoi da dikhai de nungsiba da chingdam khai de jati bijati khai de chinban da dikhai de nungsiba thamoi da dikhai de NIT Sports Complex Hospital Imphal se yamna chinkreda This will be my second song. Harapong hayda nung matsatpada nung ay baguna ubawani nung wagi kong sata awaba uroy uina layla kanda ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯗ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯩ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯐꯝ ꯁꯪ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯌꯦꯡ ꯁꯪ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯔꯦ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯐꯝ ꯁꯪ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯌꯦꯡ ꯁꯪ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯔꯦ ꯆꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ NIT ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ MLA ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯤ election ꯅꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯤꯟꯊꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯛꯊꯥ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ election ꯅꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯤꯟꯊꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯛꯊꯥ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯥꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ NIT ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯗ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ Thank you all the beautiful people. Good night.
That was an exceptional performance. Let's all give it up again for Mr. Thangmeiso Singlai. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as I have mentioned earlier, tomorrow we have a mega fashion show. You guys are coming back, right? All right. So you bring all your families, your near and dear ones, your friends, and we will celebrate this festival together once again tomorrow. All right? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as the curtain falls tonight, give it yourself a huge round of applause. Yes, for all the love and energy that you have bring to this stage. Okay. All right. We will continue. We will have that again tomorrow. More exciting than this tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. And also, your cheers, your smiles, your energy have made this evening truly special. And thank you, everyone. Until next time, stay safe, be happy, spread the love, and then we will see you all again tomorrow. Good night, stay safe, and thank you, everyone.